Dear students, already we derived the formula cos x plus y. Correct, no? Cos x plus y, cos x minus y. Cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y, finally cot x plus y, cot x minus y. Now let us take this one. Multiple and submultiple angles. Next part is multiple and submultiple angles. What is this actually? Multiple angle means, if the trigonometric ratio of just 12 degrees given, just imagine 12 degree. I will give you sin, cos, tan of 12 degree. Sin 12 something, cos 12, tan 12. Question is, find sin, cos, tan of 24 degree. It is called multiple angle. 2 into 12, no? Multiple. Just by knowing the trigonometric ratio of given angle, how to find the trigonometric ratio of 2 into that? 3 into that, 36 degree. 4 into that. These are all called multiple angles. Which are they? If theta is the given angle, in general we can't take the particular value. So theta is the angle given. Find the trigonometric ratio of 2 theta, 3 theta, so on. They are all called multiple angles. Knowing the trigonometric ratio of theta, you must be able to write sin of 2 theta, 24 degree, sin of 36 degree, just by knowing the value of 12 degree. Again, I have written another one, no? If the trigonometric ratio of 24 degree is given, just imagine 24 degree, I have given the trigonometric ratio. Find the trigonometric ratio of 12 degree divided by 2, divided by 3, 8 degree, divided by 4, 6 degree. These are all called submultiple angles. Got the idea clear? If the trigonometric ratio of theta is given, or if theta, okay, right. How to find the trigonometric ratio of theta by 2? This one. 24 by 2. 24 by 3. So, theta by 3. How to write the trigonometric ratio of this? Theta by 4. 24 by 4 is 6. Like this. So, 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta are called multiple angles. Theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4 are called submultiple angles. Let me write the definition now. See, if theta is the given angle, then 2 theta, 3 theta, so on, are called multiple angles of theta. Multiple angles of theta. Theta by 2, theta by 3, so on, are called submultiple angles. Submultiple angles of theta. Now, knowing The trigonometric, knowing the trigonometric ratios of theta, we can find trigonometric ratios of its multiple and submultiple angles. This is what we need. Just by knowing trigonometry ratio of 20 degree, how to find a trigonometry ratio of 40 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, like this. 2 into, 3 into, 4 into. Knowing the trigonometry ratio of 24 degree, how to find 24 by 2, 12 degree, 24 by 3, 80 degree, so on. For that, let me derive the formula one by one. First one is, let me call it Roman one because it is the formula. Even though it is the formula, let me write it as like this. See? Show that sin 2 theta. First multiple angle is 2 theta. So, how to find sin 2 theta? Let me derive the formula. It is 2 sin theta cos theta. If you know sin theta and cos theta, you can find sin 2 theta. If you know sin 20 and cos 20, you can find a sin of 40 degree. 2 into 20, 40 degree. Anyway, let me derive it to show that. Even though it is the formula, let me take it as a problem. You must know the derivation also. So show that, write the left hand side. Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means it is theta plus theta. 2x means x plus x. This is of the form sin x plus y. See, go back to the formula list. Sin of x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Go back to the list of formula written. There are 8 formula. Actually, this one is the formula number 3, I think. Cos x plus y, cos x minus sin x plus y, correct. Third formula. 8 formula I have written in the previous session. Now here, x is theta, y is also theta. So write carefully. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Even though I am saying x and y, I am writing only theta. Because x is also theta, y is also theta. Or it is equal to, or let me write here itself. Formula is only this much. Equal to, you are adding sin theta cos theta 2 times. What is the meaning? 2 into sin theta cos theta over right hand side. See? Very simple formula. Knowing trigonometry ratio of theta, you can find a trigonometry ratio of 2 theta. If you want, let me give one example. After that, let us derive the second formula. If sin theta is 3 by 5, cos theta is 4 by 5, find sin 2 theta. Simple problem. Just in order to make the formula clear. Sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 into sin theta is 3 by 5, cos theta is 4 by 5. So final answer is 6. 24 by 25 over. Just by using that formula. Let us give the example after finishing all the formula first, so that the formula will be together. After that, after finishing all the formula, let me give one by one examples, right? So, write the second formula then. First formula over. One simple example also you have taken there. Second formula. You got the formula for sine 2 theta. What about the second formula? There is one more formula for sine 2 theta itself. So, let me take that one. Show that sine 2 theta. See, sine 2 theta has another formula. Second formula. One is 2 sine theta cos theta. Second one is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Sine 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So, first and second formula only to find sine 2 theta, remember. This is also sine 2 theta. Anyway, left hand side equal to sine 2 theta equal to. Now I can use formula number 1, previous one. 2 sine theta cos theta. From where you have written this? From formula 1. Sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. See the next step clearly. 2 sine theta cos theta, this one, divided by 1. Is there any change in the value? No. You are dividing that one by 1. Value will never change. But that 1 is nothing but, see, cos square theta plus sin square theta. That also you remember the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. So in the place of 1 I have written formula. Now what you have to do is divide both numerator and denominator by cos square theta. Finish. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos square theta. What you get, right carefully. Left hand side as is, sine 2 theta as it is. Right hand side you see 2 sine theta cos theta divided by cos square theta divided by denominator cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Divide and get the answer required. Cos theta cos square theta. 1 cos theta cancels. 2 into sin theta by cos theta. 2 tan theta. Divided by 1 sin by cos tan. Sin square by cos square tan square. Right hand side. See, second formula over. Write all the formula in a single sheet of paper so that whenever the formula is required, you must be able to give that formula. Because you get maximum number of formula in trigonometry. So that finishes multiple angle formula sine 2 theta over. Shall I give an example for this? Let us see. In order to make the problem or the formula clear, let me write one example. If tan theta equal to 1 by 3, find sine 2 theta. See? If you know tan theta, you can find a sine 2 theta using this formula. That's all. Sine 2 theta equal to formula 2 tan theta divided by 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta formula. Or 2 into tan theta is 1 by 3. Tan theta is 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Or it is 2 by 3 denominator 1 plus 1 by 9. Or 2 by 3 divided by, adding this, 9 plus 1 by 9. Or it is 2 by 3 divided by 10 by 9. Or it is 2 by 3 into 9 by 10. Finally, 3 is 5 is 3 by 5. Tan theta is 1 by 3, sin 2 theta is 2 into tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, 9 plus 1, 10 by 9, 9 by 10, 2 by 3, everything is correct. 3 by 5 is the answer. That is the meaning of that formula. Whenever tan theta is given, straight away you can find sin 2 theta. Relation between theta and 2 theta. Formula number second one is over. But both the formula are related to sin 2 theta only. Now third formula onwards show that cos 2 theta equal to, see, sin 2 theta formula over. There are two formulae for sin 2 theta. First one is 2 sin theta cos theta. Second one is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, first formula for cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Don't confuse with this plus. If it is plus, we know that it is 1. But if cos square theta minus sin square theta, it is the formula for cos 2 theta. Right? So, derivation left hand side equal to cos 2 theta. Basic derivation is the same. Just writing that one as theta plus theta. Recall the formula cos of x plus y. First formula. Cos x, cos y, minus sin x, sin y. But here x is theta, y also equal to theta. So write it carefully. Cos x, cos y, minus sin x, sin y. But x and y both are theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Over. This is the formula for cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Problems or the examples let me give after finishing all the formula. Let us finish all the formula once. Third formula is over. Fourth one is show that again there is another formula for same cos 2 theta. It is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Knowing the trigonometry ratio cos theta, you can find cos 2 theta. If cos theta is 4 by 5, find cos 2 theta. I can ask the question. You can use the formula this. Left hand side, cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. From formula number 3. From third one. Now, you can observe in the answer, we must have only cos square, no sin. What I have to do is, Since you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, replace this sin square theta. Sin square theta can be replaced by 1 minus cos square theta. Just note that particular substitution, enough. In the place of sin square theta, write 1 minus cos square theta. So it is cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. Don't forget to put the bracket because you are writing after minus sign. In the place of sin square theta you have to write. If you remove the bracket, what happens? See, cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1. So, cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 is another formula for same cos 2 theta. Just similar in the previous case, sin 2 theta, there were two formulae. First one is 2 sin theta cos theta, another one 2 tan theta divided by something. Similarly, cos 2 theta, we have first formula here, cos square minus sin square. Second formula is this. Right? Next, formula number 5. Fourth one is over. 5. Remember, there is one more formula for same cos 2 theta. So let me write that. Show that cos 2 theta itself equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. See, for sin 2 theta there are only two formula, but here cos 2 theta, this one is the third formula for same cos 2 theta. Derivation is cos 2 theta equal to, let me take this one, 2 cos square theta minus 1. In the place of cos square theta, this is from that formula is the fourth one. Now, same formula I am writing, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So, write that. Equal to 2 into, don't write cos square theta. Instead of that, write 1 minus sin square theta. Minus 1. Remove the bracket. 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. But 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That is the right hand side. Write the formula, all formulas separately in a separate sheet of paper. Third formula for the same cos 2 theta, or total it's the fifth formula. Sixth one, again to the same cos 2 theta, we have one more. Show that cos 2 theta equal to fourth formula for the same cos 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. If you know tan theta, you can find cos 2 theta. Left hand side equal to cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. From, this is a formula number 3, I think. Equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Nothing I have done. Written as it is. Divided by 1. We did the same method for sin 2 theta also. Now instead of this one, I am writing, see, cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Because sin square plus cos square is 1. Divide both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator by cos square theta over. What you get? Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta divided by cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Now I am writing the answer shell formula. Cos square by cos 1, sin by cos tan square theta, cos square by cos square again 1 plus tan square theta. Formula number 6 is also over. So there are 2 formulae for sin 2 theta, 4 formulae for cos 2 theta. Multiple angle formula, 2 theta formula. Sixth one is over. Come to the 7th one. Formula number 7th one. That is for tan 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Now 7th one, show that tan 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Show that tan 2 theta equal to, just similar formula you have seen for sin 2 theta. See there, formula number 2nd. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta if it is sin 2 theta. 1 minus tan square theta, it is for tan 2 theta. Do not confuse with that. Only the difference is in the sign. If it is minus tan 2 theta, if it is plus sin 2 theta formula. Now proof is left hand side equal to tan 2 theta equal to tan of theta plus theta, same method. Using this formula, tan x plus y, it is over. You know that formula. Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Right? Mostly formula number 5, I think. 5. In the addition formula, not in this series, x plus y, x minus y formula list, it will be the 5th one. Anyway, you have written the formula itself. Now x is theta, y also theta, write that. Tan theta plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Only saying x and y, but written as theta in the place of x as well as y. Now, tan theta plus tan theta, surely 2 tan theta. 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, write it as tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, there are 2 formula. Cos 2 theta, there are 4 formula. Don't say for tan 2 theta there will be 8 formula, only 1. Yes? Okay? Happy now? 2 formula for sin 2 theta, 4 formula for cos 2 theta, 1 and only 1 formula for tan 2 theta. Totally there are 7 formula. Multiple angle formulae. Write them separately.